Hey everybody, I really wanted to touch base today. We had a big, awesome training event last week, so I did not get a video out. But pool kits are, moving right now. They're rolling off the shelves steadily, but we are going to get a lot busier in the spring like we always do. So I wanted to reach out to all of you that are pretty much ready to go now, that it is a great time to buy a pool kit because right now the prices are locked through the end of the year. Pentair, all the pool companies, even Foxbox, they haven't done a lot of price increases since early in the year. And there's almost always, even when there's not an inflationary cycle, there's always a little price increase at the beginning of the year. So if you need a write-off, we've got stuff in stock ready to go. Plus, the prices are what they are right now. I'm not expecting a big price increase at all. We don't have any insider knowledge of any price increases, just historically speaking. If you buy before the end of the year, you're going to get a better deal. That said, I kind of wanted to show you a few things because during training I was showing some guys some things that I've mentioned that we have some specialty things. You go to IKEA and you get some directions, and at this point they don't even want to put languages on them, so they just show you like little drawings. Very unhelpful. I wanted to let you guys know, your skimmers, which look like this, are Hayward skimmers that we're going to have. I include a template, and this template will have a QR code on it, and you'll just scan it with your phone, and a little video. I apologize, it's going to be of me, but it's going to be showing you how to use this template. I'm just going to show you real quick. It folds over the wall. I'll show you the back side first. Okay? Folds over the wall, and you just trace that out, and that's going to be your cut that will let the can fit in here, as well as the drop and the elbow coming out of the wall. So that's your back cut. The front cut's pretty tricked because these skimmers are actually for a steel or vinyl wall. So they've got a flange on them that's made to bolt onto the wall. But what we've done here is made it somewhere sort of like when you're carving a pumpkin, you get the patterns. I've got this, and you're going to go dotted line around this hinged flap here. Then you're going to fold the flap in, and you're going to draw a solid line around this. You cut the solid line, and the dotted line, you just trim out the face back to the black web. Okay, just to the web, it's about ½ an inch in. And I'll show you a video here of how it drops in just slick. So this makes something that we do pretty easy because we've done it 100 times, but you're only going to do it twice on your pool. We save you all the time of figuring it out. You just watch the little 2-minute video on how this works and use this template that comes with the kit. And just so you know, every single white good, when I say white goods, I mean main drains, returns, skimmers, any specialty part that comes with a pool that you can't go buy at Home Depot, every one of those things, the skimmers come with this video. The returns, which are going to either take a return jet eyeball like this, or in our case, we also use the micro brights. They go in the same return fitting. I'm going to show you, the male adapter plus the length of pipe that comes through the wall, exactly how to do that, the size hole saws to use, and then, your main drains. Simple plumbing, but I'm going to get into the details on the mains. You have 2 of these, and to code, you have to plumb them together so that if you ever isolate that suction, it can't just be pulling on one. People get their hair stuck in the rubber, so you have 2 of them for safety. Well, when you plumb them together, there's just a couple little tricks to the trade to keep them exactly level with each other when they're 5 or 6 feet apart. If you get them tweaked to one another, it'll make your concrete floor a little funny to make them flush up. Another simple thing, a 45-second video just shows you the tricks to the trade so you can get a professional, install result on your very first pool. Okay, because so most kits you're going to find online sell lower end equipment. Some of it is, the brand is, whatever the kit name is, whatever, but they're made by one of the big 3 companies, but they're the lower end pumps. We sell high efficiency pumps, high efficiency lights. A lot of your municipalities have tax credits through the end of the year. You'd have to check into that because it varies with every single co-op around the country. But I know we've sold several kits to people getting $500 back because they're buying a pump that's low energy. It's all Pentair stuff typically. We can sell Jandy and Hayward kits, but Pentair is what we like. You can see back here, we've got enough micro brights. We've got Intella brights. We've got the Easy Touch panels and the Intella centers, and all the lights, filters. We've got everything to fill a dozen pools tomorrow. We're moving a couple a week. We'll be moving a couple a day after the first of the year, so it gets a lot more hectic. And like I said, there might be a little price increase. So if you're thinking about doing a pool kit, hit icfguru.com, call me. Here, I'll put my number on here too so you can get to me easier. and we can start the process, get you closed before the end of the year, and make sure you get all your stuff when you're needing it.